Coastal Karnataka, on the southwest coast of India, for generations has nurtured icons within hospitality and industries. Kundapura, a small town within this region where Kunda means pillar and Pura means town, is home to Gurukula Public School. Gurukula School is spread over 40 acres with 70% green cover and has made sustained efforts across solar energy, waste management, water harvesting, organic plantations, 400 types of medicinal plants, a bird sanctuary and butterfly gardens. Gurukula is a CBSE school with classes across Montessori, high school and UG school, including separate hostel facility to accommodate boys and girls. With a focus on all-round development of students from academics, equal importance is also given to activities like dance, skating, basketball. Gurukula focuses on a 360-degree holistic learning with efforts extending towards students, teachers and even parents. Gurukula Public School, nurturing global leaders for a new world.
Hi children, how are you all? Feeling good? Okay. In previous, you all learnt Hindi Varnamala, Swarakshar and few Vyanjanakshar. Yes, no children? Okay. Today we will revise that those letters to Gna. Okay? Okay. Shall we start children? First we start orally. Okay? First we will revise that one orally. A E U R A I O AHA. Okay. Next Vyanjan K Kh G Gnya. Okay, this much over. Okay. Today I will continue the Vyanjanakshar. Okay. Before we start the class, we will do some warm-up exercise. Okay, children? Okay. Now all stand up. Stand up children. Stand up. Hands front. Hands up. Hands side. Hands side. Hands front. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Hands front. Hands up. Hands side. Hands back, hands down. Slowly jog children, slowly jog. Fast. Jog. Jogging means how? Like this. Slowly. Fast. Okay. Now, roll your hands slowly. Roll your hands slowly, fast, little fast, fast. Very good. Little slowly, little, Are you ready? Full of energy. Yes, no? Okay. Sit down, children. Stand up. Sit down. Okay. Now we will continue the Vyanjana action. Okay? K, 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 nya. Over. Today, which letter, children? Today is, which letter is this? Which letter? Which letter is this, children? Ch. Ch. Ch say, what is this? Ch say, chand. Ch say, chand. Ch say, chand. Chand means what, children? Chand. Anybody knows? Answer me. Okay. Ch say chand. Chand means moon. Chandra. Chandra. Ch say chammach. Ch say, what, children? Ch say? Ch say chammach. Ch say chammach. Chammach means, you all know. Yes. Daily you all using, no? Yes. Chammach means chamacha. Spoon. Yes, no? Ch say chappal. Ch say chappal. Chappal means, in Kannada, chappali. English, slipper. Okay. Ch say chand. Ch say children. Repeat. Chammach. Ch say chappal. And ch say charka. Okay? Okay. Got it? Once again tell me, children. Repeat it. Ch say chand. Ch say chammach. Ch say charka. Ch say chappal. Okay? We will see the next letter. Next letter is Ch after what, children? This is Ch. This is Ch. This is Ch. Ch. Ch say chhatri. Ch say chhatri. Chhatri means, you all know now. This is rainy season means you are using chhatri. Yes, na? Chhatri means umbrella. Kode. Yes, na? You all have color umbrella, no? Yeah. Ch say chhatri. One more. Ch say chatta. Chatta. Chatta means like this. Did you saw this? Chatta. Chatta. This is chatta. Okay. Chatta means In Kannada, we will call in Kannada Jenugudu. Hive. Okay, in English, hive. छ से छतरी, च से च से छतरी, च से छत्ता, छत्ता and छत्ता means hive, hive, जेनगुड़. Next, छ से छलनी, छलनी means trainer, जरडी, guards, झरडी. ओके. नेक्स्ट, छ से छड़ी, छड़ी, छ से छड़ी, छ से छड़ी, स्टिक. ओके, स्टिक, स्टिक, छ से छड़ी, स्टिक, स्टिक्स. ओके. छ से स्टिक मीन्स कोल. छ से छतरी, छ से छतरी, छ से छत्ता, छ से छलनी, छ से छलनी, छ से छड़ी. Sticks. Your grandfather are holding a stick. Okay. Got it, children? च से चांद, च से चम्मच, च से चप्पल. This is छ. छ से छतरी, छ से छड़ी, छ से चलनी. ओके. नेक्स्ट लेटर इज ज. 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 The next letter is j. J. The next letter is J. ज से जहाज, ज से जहाज. जहाज means big, not boat, big one, ship. Okay, jahaz means ship, hadagu. ज से wall like, what is that? Like this. Delicious. What is this? Yummy, yummy. Jalebi. ज से जलेबी. Well, like na. Have you eaten jalebi? In Kannada, we will call jilebi. Yes, na. In Hindi, jalebi. Okay. J से one more item is there. What? Jamun. ज से जामुन, ज से जलेबी. How to pronounce in Hindi? Jalebi, not jilebi. Jalebi. ज से जामुन, ज से जलेबी, ज से जहाज. Okay. The next one, the next letter is J. This is J. This is J. Z. J. 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 Zarna. 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 Like this. Zarna. What is this? Waterfall. Waterfall, you know? That is called zarna. ಹರಿಯುವುದು, ನೀರು ಹರಿಯುತ್ತದಲ್ಲ, that is called zarna. J से झंडा. झंडा. Z से what children? झंडा. 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 Z से झंडा. झंडा means what, children? झंडा. This is what? Yes. This is our national flag. Yes, now? How many colors are there in our national flag? Yes, tricolors. Yes. There are 3 colors. Saffron, white and green. In the middle of white, Ashoka Chakra is there. Yes, no? Okay. Next, J से झोंपड़ी. झोंपड़ी means what, children? झोंपड़ी. गुडिसलु. Hut, a small hut called झोंपड़ी. गुडिसलु. Okay. Got it, children? J से झरना. J से झंडा. J से झोंपड़ी. Okay. The next letter Gnya. The next letter is Gnya. Okay. Gnya. Gnya. The next letter is Gnya. Ch. Ch. J. J. Nya. Okay. Are you understanding what I am saying, children? Okay. Ch से चम्मच. च से चांद. छ से छतरी. छ से छतरी. then छ से छत्ता. छ से छड़ी. छ से चलनी. नेक्स्ट ज से जहाज. ज से जलेबी. ज से जामुन. Next one, झ, झ से झंडा, झ से झरना, ज से झोंपड़ी, S. The next letter, nya. Okay, children. You should write these letters in your notebook. Okay, children, and practice also with object name. Okay, with objects. Hope you all enjoyed this session. We'll see you in next class. Take care. Stay home, stay safe. Bye children. Thank you.